Hello everybody, how you doing? Hi everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I'm being a bit of a goof today because I'm trying to get myself in a goofy, happy mood because I just got my top box, and if the spoilers are correct, it's kind of, you know, and I have 2 boxes, 2 accounts. Oh my god. Anyways, for those of you who don't know, Topbox is a Canadian subscription company. You can only get it here in Canada. The price went up. It's now $15 a month. Taxes for me worked out to being almost about $19. FYI, guys, Topbox sister company Luxebox, which is every 3 months. The next box is coming in March. That went up to $29, so it's probably going to cost about $32. It used to be $26, and it went up to $29. Wow, it went up $4, eh? Or was it 3? 26, 27, 29? No, it went up $3. My math is kind of off because I'm not that smart. Anyways, Topbox. You never know what you're going to get. There's never any spoilers. I say it all the time. It's like a box of chocolates, like Forrest Gump said. You're taking a gamble with your money, and the price did go up. It's now about $20 a month with the taxes. Shipping is free. Around the end of the month, they will send you an email. It's called the Topbox wish list. They will have between 1 and 8 different items. It could be one single individual item, or it could be like, you know, 3 face masks. And that's called a privé wish list. You can decide if you want something on that privé wish list or if you want a regular box. I have 2 accounts. There was no $10 add-on for the month of December, which the add-ons are usually bang on freaking amazing. But there was no add-ons for the month of December, which is kind of crappy, but we've had some really nice add-ons October, November. So, you know, they've been doing really good with the add-ons. Anyways, I have 2 accounts. I did ask for a privé box in one. One of the wish lists was the Glam Glow Moisturizer. I don't remember the rest of them. I just remember the Glam Glow Moisturizer, and I asked for that, and I don't think that I got it. Anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and open this box. I did see spoilers. The one thing with Topbox that is annoying, and it's not right, is they... Oh, shit. What was that? What was that? Oh, just a piece. How do I open this darn box? Anyways. Okay, I did it wrong. The one thing about it that is not right is that they don't, the value of the boxes are never the same for everybody. Like, there's boxes, I've gotten boxes sometimes and the value was like 35 bucks. And I've gotten boxes where the value was like $150. But it's never the same for everybody, which is a piss off, you know? We're paying the same amount. So I suggest to you ladies to Instagram, tweet, send emails, and tell them that the value's got to be the same because we all are paying the same amount of money, and, you know, they're just going to lose customers. You know, so like if we all kind of work together and speak together and say something, maybe they will listen, because it's not fair for me or for Judy to get a box that's worth, you know, value of 150 bucks. And, you know, Sandy's got a box that's only, you know, 35, 40 bucks. That's not right. So maybe if we, you know, send emails and tweet and Instagram and stuff like that, like, you know, hopefully, right? Okay, it says, hey, beautiful, your top box is here. I have top box 3, I think. This one is top box 3. If you don't know where to find it, it's right here. See where it says TB03? That's it right there. Okay? Right. All right. First thing in my box is the Yenza Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. I really like this. We did get a full size of this in our Luxebox. So it's kind of a repeat, but not a repeat. But they won't consider it a repeat because if you get something in your Luxebox that's the same as your Topbox, they won't consider that a repeat. If you get a repeat from Topbox into your Topbox, they will consider that a repeat. But this is not. I do like it, so I'm happy to get it. I was running out of the one I got, so I'm happy to have this. Then we got Ipsy Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. Did you know Ipsy is a Canadian company? So it's, what do you do with this? It looks like that. Multi-purpose illuminator. I am confused. So it's very like that. Very that. It's very that. What the heck do you do with that? I don't know. Oh my god, my phone is ringing like crazy. Do you put it on your lips? Did you put it on your face? Is it a highlighter? What do you do with this chummy digger? What do you do? Okay, so it's glowing. I do have highlight on already. I got Ofra on, but... Okay, maybe it's a highlighter. Okay. So that's what we got. Remember, this box was $20 Canadian. I also got this weensy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. No, it's Biotherm. Blue Therapy, Amber Algae, Revitalize. Okay, Lisa, you're doing this in French. Repair, Hydrate, and Intensely Revitalizing Day Cream. Repair, Moisturize, and Illuminate. I'm going to give it a try. It is very, very tiny. Paid $20 for this box. Not impressed. I'm not impressed. That is not impressive. Just saying. Just saying, Topbox. Last but not least, I got a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Heat Styling Spray. I know people like this company. People like hairspray. It's apparently an expensive hairspray. I'll leave the price down below. But I don't wear hairspray. So, but my mom does. I'll keep it for her. She'll like that. All right. That was box number 1. Box number 1. That's what we got for $20. We got this highlighter illuminator. This teensy weensy tiny yellow banana polka dot Biotherm. Yenza like this. Okay. But it's deluxe, you know. And we got the Living Proof hairspray, which, okay. I know this is valued at something. I don't know what yet, but I will leave it down below. I know it's not cheap, right? I didn't get, you know, Aquanet hairspray. So, okay. But then I also know that there are some really good boxes out there. Just give me 1 second, honey. All right, we're going to open up our other box. And we're going to go. Ta-da! Let's try it this way. Ta-da! So it's the same box. This is my Playa. Oh my god, what is up with this sprays? Endless Summer Spray creates soft and tousled. Tousled means when you wake up in the morning or after you get some loving. Tousled texture, Southern California, sea salt. How do you use this? Subscribe to sustainability. Recycle your bottles. Okay, so you can recycle your bottles. What do you do with this? Mist through damp or dry hair. Apply directly to exposed areas of the scalp for natural sun protection. Oh, this might be... I don't know what is it for, though? Gives hair the perfectly tousled texture you usually only get after a day at the beach. Well, I'm tousled, it said. I'm supposed to look like I just got out of bed or I just had, you know, a romp in the hay. But it ain't... do I look like I'm tousled? I'm in a mood. I'm in a mood. It just made my hair look really dark. But it smells nice. And it gives you some protection for the sun. So I'll take it with me when I go to the sun in 22 days. Right. So it's the same stuff. It is the Biotherm, Yenza, Liquid Beam, and Copper. What color were you? So we got Pearl. Hey, at least it's a different color. Excited. And we got Copper. What the sweet Jesu am I going to do with this color? You know, can you use it as an eyeshadow? That's what it is. Can you use that as an eyeshadow? I don't know. Maybe. No, I think I just took it off my hands. I don't know. Anyways, that is what it is. It, you know, it doesn't really tell you what to do with it. It just calls it Illuminator. multi-purpose. So maybe you can use it as an eyeshadow, highlight, body shine, I don't know, something like that. Okay, so we got that, and we got the hairspray again. Which, this is, I know people always ask me why I have 2 accounts, and I always say because, you know, I don't want to miss out on the regular box if it's really good. And if they have a great Prive, I'll go for that. But this is, you know, the kind of like, there is a 50% chance when you got 2 accounts that you're going to get the same box. Well, it happened, ladies and gentlemen. It happened. I got the same box. Kind of a bummer, but, you know, I know my box isn't, you know, exciting to me, but I also know that it's better than some boxes that I've seen, but not as good as some other boxes that I've seen with amazing value. Again, let's try to do something about that. Let's write, let's text, let's email and tweet and Instagram and Facebook, and maybe the more of us who speak about it, they might actually make a change on that and make sure that everyone gets the same value box. Okay, that's my top box. Yeah, I guess if I just got one box and I had this stuff in the box, I'd be like, okay, you know, I know that this stuff has value, you know, so I'd be like, all right, it's okay, you know what I mean, for 20 bucks. I mean, we're paying 20 bucks for what? Look Fantastic? I love my Look Fantastic. But I have 2 boxes, so I don't know. I wish there was a way that, you know, they can make sure that I don't get the same boxes, but they're probably not going to do that either. So that's it, everyone. Let me know. What do you think? What did you get in your box? Again, this was box number 3 under 3. What did you get? How do you feel about Topbox? Let's try to, let's have a movement. Let's, you know, let's work together and make it happen, okay? All right, bye. Love you. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget, I will be having a live this Saturday. I think it's going to be at 7 o'clock instead of 8 because I got to put hubby to bed early because he's got to work the next day. Bye. Love you. Oh, and don't forget about my Sephora gift card giveaway happening. I'll put that here somewhere. Check that out. Love you.